People, happy Thanksgiving. Today, simple setup. We have a backup bird. The real bird is going to be deep fried. With me and that guy right there. We're going to try to not burn the place down. See how that goes. One of not burning the house down. You have to have beer. Canadian beer. Got that. We're going to hook that up. Then we got that. And we have oil. And then we got to light it.
At least you can see what the hell is going on here. So close.
Yeah.
On. Open. You ready? I'm about to open the gate.
Yeah.
Open. How do you work this thing up? More. Close. Open. Power on.
Now we're lit. See it going.
Yeah, now we can actually see it.
There is it.
There you go.
Oh. Hey, don't look back. Yeah.
First one?
Yeah.
400 something?
Yeah. Okay, so we got oil in there. Got the flame going. I'm gonna get up the temperature right now. And we are prepping the turkey. It's been thawing for a couple days now. Just making sure it's nice and non-damp.
It's gonna be a fucking good turkey, I can tell you that now.
If it isn't, we got the backup.
Good thing I remember where I put the hanger.
Being a champ and taking care of that stuff. Got the old abortion hook in there. Ready from deep fried goodness. Alright. Let's burn the world down. I mean, no, not that. There goes nothing. Get closer. Yeah. Well, we ain't dead. So the bird's in. By calculations, hour 10-ish. We'll check back. So we out here.
Can't really see the temperature.
It's like 325.
Yeah,
all right, pop it open.
Can't see the turkey.
Can't see it, but it's fucking epic. In a bit. Maybe. Yes.
Good girl.
And as you can see, we have all the proper safety equipment for all your frying needs. Yeah, we're about that shit. Alright, so the turkey is done. It's been in for an hour 15-ish. She looks crispy. Let it drip.
That can be down the bottom of the pan.
Okay. And we done.
Look at that bird, baby!
Delicious.
You want all the juices out of it.